Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the car parked and ignition in ACC so the display is active. Once ready, tap Home and then Settings, the gear icon, because the clock lives in System Settings. Make sure the screen is responsive. If it isn't, cycle the ignition off and back to ACC. You're doing this to avoid driving distractions and to ensure changes save properly. Now select Clock or Clock and Date so you can change time format and access the hour and minute controls. Once in clock settings, pick the time format first because it changes how hours display. Then adjust hour and minute fields. Tap the hour, use the +/- or swipe controls, and repeat for minutes. Make sure to check AM versus PM when using 12-hour mode so you don't set the wrong half-day. If there's a separate time zone or DSD option, set it now. Once values look correct, press Save or OK so the system writes the new time to the car. After saving, exit settings and confirm the dash and home screen clocks match. If the display resets after a restart, make sure the battery health is good because low voltage can clear settings. If time still won't hold, reboot the infotainment, power off vehicle for 1 minute, or use the system restart option. For models with GPS sync, enable auto sync in clock or navigation settings so the system updates automatically. This prevents drift when you cross time zones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.